Good morning, dignitaries on the dais and friends from the industry and media. Thank you so much for being here and giving a patient hearing to what UBM and the associations from Hyderabad are presenting here. A great thanks to Mr. Mahenderji Tayal. I think he has been working tremendously with the team of UBM for last whole month, bringing the best retailers across the country and also internationally, especially those who are buyers of Indian jewelry to Hyderabad. I think this is the first time UBM is rewarding retailers, and with his efforts and of course the team led by Chintan here, we have 100 plus top retailers coming to Hyderabad. And I think this is a tremendous efforts, and I would like to congratulate everybody who has put in efforts, and the entire manufacturing fraternity in Hyderabad is definitely going to get great benefits out of this. As Joji rightly said, the team UBM, especially the jewelry portfolio, have been working tremendously across the country, and along with the international team of UBM, which has got exhibition in 16 countries, including the world's best Hong Kong fair in September, Istanbul fair in October and March, also Singapore, Taiwan, Japan. The Germany fair is also one which we have been launching for launch last year, which is the first endeavor of a Asia initiative into Europe. So along with the team of the UBM international offices, UBM India is trying their best to get the best of the international buyers, which will be helping the Indian manufacturing industry in a long way. We, in that endeavor, I think, as Joji mentioned, we have come up with a very exclusive, I would say, buyer-seller meet, first time in Mumbai. We are calling it Regalia. I'll just play the AV of the same for a few minutes. But just to give you a brief on that, this is the first time on the pretext of IIJS, where the whole international fraternity into jewelry trade is coming. We would like to give a very special networking platform for the buyers and sellers to experience that the buying and selling can be more interesting, the experience could be great, and with UBM's network internationally, we will be having hand-picked international buyers to come and participate in these events. So my humble request to all of you is, please have a look at this AV. Definitely the team has got information on details of the exhibitions, which we will be very happy to produce to all of you, and please spread the word across the industry, and whatever best ideas you have got or whatever best products you have in mind, we'll try to accommodate the best of the designs for this exclusive buyer-seller meet, which we call it Regalia. In addition to Regalia, we would also like to inform you that if you see it at the background, we are coming up with a very exclusive Dun & Bradstreet and UBM venture together, where we are going to showcasing the best of the Indian gem and jewelry industry people across India and also internationally who are dealing with Indian jewelry. This book is going to be inaugurated in September Hong Kong Fair, and it is going to be promoted to all the international exhibitions which UBM is going to be organizing internationally. So again, the UBM team will be very happy to give information regarding Dun & Bradstreet and UBM's book on India's leading gem and jewelry exporters. So with that, thank you very much again for coming here and listening to us. And before I end, I would request Mahenderji to come forward and give his view and what has been done for last few months with HJMA and UBM to bring this event to this level.